What's up, you guys? Thanks so much for tuning in to my YouTube channel. Oh, what means so much to me. So much, you guys. So thank you a ton for tuning in. Now, it's really no surprise that cheekbones are considered a feature of beauty across the entire world. And thanks to the advancement of makeup and plastic surgery, getting the cheekbones of your dreams really is at the drop of a hat. But what happens if you're not exposed to the type of makeup artists that the Kardashians have and you're not rolling in the dough? Then just stay tuned because we are about to get started. So Vaseline is not a new product on the market. Obviously, it's used for dry lips, cracked skin, and it's hugely popular amongst men in the gay community. Bounce now. Ew, gross. You guys, no, totally not. That's not even what I was thinking, and you have a dirty, dirty mind. We use it because we like to highlight our cheekbones. So to get this look, it's as easy as 1, 2, 3. You just take a tiny bit of Vaseline. Really keep an eye on that little bugger though, because a little bit too much is going to steer that look in the wrong direction. Unless you're looking at the computer screen right now and you're thinking, damn, that boy's looking mighty fine with those thick, moist clumps of Vaseline just falling off his face. No, but really, take the tiniest bit on your finger and you're going to apply it to the upper part of the cheekbone. This is going to create this really awesome reflective surface for light to bounce off of that's going to create a fuller and plumper illusion to the cheekbones. It's also going to help to recapture that dewy, fresh look we all had in our youth, and it works great. It's non-comedogenic and it's makeup-free, you guys, so great for the natural makeup wear. Now, here's an extra hack I bet you guys didn't know about. If you apply some to the wrist before you apply your fragrance, it'll last crazy ton longer, you guys. Also, apply some at the root of the lashes before you go to bed, and they will be growing towards the heavens, and it is an amazing makeup remover. So go buy yourself a bottle of Vaseline and fall in love with it, just like I did. And I will see you again in my next video. No.